Hey all, welcome back to yet another cleaning video. Today I decided to deep clean our guest bedroom and living room in my house with all natural products. Why natural products? That's because I was just too tired buying different products for different cleaning needs in the house, and at times it felt very confusing, and also a lot of products expired, which means money wasted. Most importantly, because it's safe from all harmful toxic gases that the market cleaning product emits. Hence, I resorted to this cleaning method where I use things which are available in the house already. No fancy products, and I promise it cleans just as good as the market bought cleaning products, and in fact sometimes better. So let's begin with the video. I will first put the bedding to wash in the room, since this room is not used so often, so it collected a lot of dust over time. Here's a hack to make your bedding shiny. Just add some vinegar and borax or baking soda to the wash along with laundry detergent. Borax works as a water softener and deodorizer. It can also help to kill mites, bed bugs, fungi, bacteria, etc. It can also help get white clothes whiter. Try it out, it seriously works. Here's another hack. We should make it a habit to wash this detergent drawer from time to time. I never did that few years back because I never knew we could do that. Even now I forget to do that sometimes, but check this, it collects so much of dirt. Did you know that our mattresses are home to hundreds of tiny creatures called dust mites, bed bugs, bacteria and whatnot? That's because when we sleep on it, the mattresses collect the skin flakes, sweat and oil, and with days it becomes a breeding ground for all kinds of bacteria. I'm going to sprinkle some baking soda on the mattress and I will leave that on for 2 hours. It will help to soak all the moisture along with the dust mites and several bacteria that have been breeding on the mattress. I will now vacuum the mattress, which will help to suck all the bacteria along with the baking soda. This is how I make my all-purpose cleaning solution at home. I use half cup of vinegar and half cup of water along with few drops of dishwashing liquid. This solution is very versatile and can be used for everything including kitchen and the bathroom. Now I will clean the bed headboard with this solution. It is very effective and makes everything sparkle. I will use the same solution for all the other furniture in the room. Here is the next hack. So if you have wooden furniture in the house, you would want to polish them from time to time to keep it looking as new. So instead of using any fancy cleaners, you can either use just coconut oil or olive oil to polish. Trust me, it not only works but also it's very safe for all types of wooden surfaces. Today, Parth is in charge of cleaning the fans. And here's another hack for cleaning fans. Use an old pillowcase and wrap it around the blades of the fan and gently pull it towards you. This way the fan will get cleaned very easily. At the same time, the dust will get trapped inside the pillowcase and not spread all over the floor. You can also use the same solution I showed you and spray on a cloth and wipe the greasy fan blades with that, especially the dining area ones, for that sparkly clean shine on them. I find it more convenient to vacuum the floors than to sweep. I used to own a Dyson V7 Animal for the past 2 years and was very happy with it. Dyson decided to upgrade us to the V11 Absolute Pro cordless vacuum cleaner, and it's a beast. It's the next day and all my bed linen are nice, clean and dry. I'm going to put this duvet in a vacuum compress bag to keep it safe from dust. You can use the same method to save space while storing your blankets and duvets. The Dyson V11 also comes very handy while compressing a vacuum bag. I love the way it does the job in less than a minute. I will now clean the living room. I will first put the cushion covers to wash. Then I am going to vacuum the sofa. I would never imagine that our sofa could collect so much of dust and dirt until I vacuumed it. Like I said, I was very happy with the Dyson V7, but the V11 comes with more power and features. This mini motorized attachment is what I use to clean my sofa. It has 3 power modes: Eco, Medium and Boost, and can be switched easily based on the requirement. The LCD screen on top gives real-time information on what mode you are in and the runtime. It gives a runtime of about 60 minutes in the Eco mode, which is good enough for my house cleaning. It has a suction power much better than the V7 and does a great job at picking dust and mites. This motorized attachment can be adjusted as per the curves of the sofa and is very handy and effective while picking dust. For the dust trapped in corners, there is this crevice tool which reaches the nook and corners of the sofa and pulls out dust. Just check this out. This is what came out from the sofa even after frequent vacuuming. The bin is large enough and can be emptied by a point and shoot method on your dustbin, thereby maintaining hygiene. The bin can also be removed and cleaned from time to time. I will also wash the living room curtains today. It has literally turned beige from off-white. I know, very embarrassing. Oops. Here's the next hack: how to clean white fabrics and make it look sparkly white again. Just use borax and some vinegar to the washing machine. Borax acts as a whitener and vinegar has antibacterial properties. I will use the delicate function in my machine, and it's always recommended to wash curtains in cold water. Check the magic of borax. The curtains has turned white again. The satisfaction of a clean home is unbeatable. A clean home fills the atmosphere with positivity and makes the time spent indoors rejuvenating indeed. A must do when we are spending most of our time indoors. I'm also going to do some cleaning in the master bedroom. I also use the Dyson V11 to clean the headboard of the master bedroom bed from time to time. I must say it's really very effective in cleaning the dust trapped within the fabric. We have a fabric headboard in our bed and it collects so much of dust with time. One con of having a fancy fabric headboard. However, to me some things are not only about ease, it's about what makes you happy, and when that's the case, the cleaning doesn't seem like a work at all. Hope it makes sense. I always wanted a fabric headboard. So there are some carpets or rugs which are washable and doesn't have a rubber lining and can be used in the washing machine just like you wash clothes. But there are also few which may get damaged in the washing machine. The later ones are recommended to vacuum. I used a torque drive head which helps to keep all my carpets free from dust and germs. This torque head intelligently adapts suction to deep clean carpets. It also reaches under furniture which is not easy to reach with a broom. For the hard floors, I prefer using the soft roller head which is also motorized and is very effective in picking up dust particles. This is also my go-to tool when Kaya makes a mess on the floor with cake or breadcrumbs or biscuits. Parth helps me out with dusting once in a while. He uses this combination tool for our picture frames. For hard to reach places, he uses the up top adapter which even reaches light fixtures and top of shelves which otherwise we always ignore while cleaning. And then there is this extension hose which makes it easier to clean these corners which need a bit of maneuvering. I have added the link for this vacuum cleaner in the description box below. Do check it out if you are interested. The cushion covers in our master bedroom is cleaned and dried now. You should try this trick of borax to whiten your white clothes. You will be amazed at the result. These are 4-year-old, that too white, and it's still looking new. Here's the next hack for cleaning wooden furniture in the house. First, clean the dust and dirt with the same all-purpose solution I showed you. And then, used either olive oil or coconut oil as polish. You can also use few drops of essential oil for fragrance. Trust me on this polishes so well, you won't need any fancy wooden polish again. Just check how shiny they look. Here's the next hack. In case you have any leather furniture in your room, try the same thing on it. Use the vinegar solution to first clean it. It's safe for the leather and makes it clean and shiny again. You can either use coconut oil or olive oil to polish the leather. The oil will not only bring back the shine but also make it last longer. All these furniture are at least 4 years old or more, and yet they look almost new. The net in our living room door also needed some cleaning. It accumulates so much of dust. I will also use the brush head in the Dyson V11 for this cleaning. Here's the next hack. To clean the switchboard, spray the same all-purpose solution on a clean cloth and it cleans them very effectively. And here's the last hack to mop the floor. Use some vinegar and laundry detergent in a mop bucket and see how it works. It will make your floor clean and shiny. Vinegar will act as a disinfectant and detergent will clean any grease or dirt. Try this out and let me know what you think. That's it for today's video. I really hope you found the tips helpful. Please try them out and let me know in the comments below how it has worked out for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.